Good day, everyone. Now we are going to present our website, and I'll be presenting about health. Now let's proceed. Our first step is log in. May email din po dito. Pwede po tayo mag-send. Then, about page. About health, andito po yung services, contact. Then, andito po yung logo. Then, click learn more. Dito service 1, heart fitness care. Service 2, medical consultation. Service 3, nutrition and diet plans.
Good day, everyone. This is my website. First thing to do is contact page is log in first. Enter contact number or email ad. Then proceed. Then about mga basic info. Then latest news. Then learn more to more info. News articles is technology boosting education in 2025. News article 2 is weather alert, heavy rains expected this week. Then lastly, local basketball team wins national championship.
Uh, Good morning, everyone, and this is my webpage. My webpage is about health and fitness. And sa first page po, ang nakalagay is greetings, then login page. Ito po yung magsasign po yung user. Then after mag-login, ma-redirect naman po siya sa homepage. And ang homepage naman po is may magpapapa po na isang message na magre-remind kung ano yung task na kailangan niyang gawin. And once na-click niya po yung got it, magre-redirect po siya sa another page na lalabas naman po yung task board na nakalagay kung ano yung mga task and mga kailangan niyang gawin every day. And po. Then once na po, tapos na po yung
So good day everyone. So this is my website. My website is all about fitness and health. So the name of my website is Lemonade, and before that, the step 1 is to log in. So kailangan mo ilagay yung name mo, email mo, and then pwede mo siya ma-contact through email, call, and Instagram. And then after that, pagkatapos mo ma-log in dito, mapupunta ka sa page. And sa page naman, lalabas yung logo, yung menu, and then yung name ng business. And then after that, kung gusto mo pang malaman yan, mag-click ka sa about, and lalabas yung mga info about sa Lemonade. Yun lang po. Thank you.